Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a new Google account on Android device. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, let's just open up our settings application, and after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the accounts and backup setting, this one. Click on the settings, and here you need to select the manage account option. Okay, and you can scroll down until you find the add account, this one. Click on it. Then since we want to set up a new Google account, we have to select the Google. Okay, and just wait for a moment, it's still loading. Okay, and here we can sign in with our Google account. We can sign in by adding our email or phone right here. Then we can click on next. Then we have to input our password as well. But if you want to create new account, you just need to click on create account. Then you can follow the instruction from the Google. And or I guess that's how we can set up a new Google account on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.